ensures engine protection in high temperatures, improves lubrication, reduces wear, enhances fuel efficiency, and maintains smooth performance during summer driving. My today's video is about top 5 best multi-grade oil for summer that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. This advanced engine oil is designed to deliver superior protection against the 4 major causes of engine breakdown: wear, friction, heat, and harmful deposits. It provides up to 40% stronger wear protection than industry standards, helping reduce engine friction while improving fuel efficiency for a smoother and more economical drive. With 15% better deposit defense, it keeps the engine cleaner, ensuring long-lasting performance and reduced sludge buildup over time. Engineered for extreme conditions, it offers up to 2.5x better heat protection compared to standard oils, preventing thermal breakdown and maintaining stability even in high-temperature driving. Its advanced formulation also ensures excellent low-temperature flow, minimizing metal-to-metal contact during cold starts when most engine wear occurs. Meeting the latest industry certifications including API-SQ, API-SP, API-SN with SN+, and ILSAC GF7A, along with major OEM standards, this oil guarantees reliable performance, enhanced durability, and year-round engine protection. Now our second product is Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Advanced Fuel Economy 0W20 is a premium full synthetic motor oil engineered for maximum efficiency and long-lasting engine protection. Its low-viscosity formula is designed to improve fuel economy while ensuring smooth lubrication across all engine components. Powered by Mobil 1's signature triple-action formula, it delivers exceptional performance, superior wear protection, and outstanding engine cleanliness in all driving conditions. This oil helps safeguard critical engine parts for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes by controlling oxidation and maintaining stable viscosity, even under high stress. It actively prevents oil breakdown, reducing sludge and harmful deposit formation that can shorten engine life. Meeting the latest ILSAC GF6 standards, it provides enhanced protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear, 2 major concerns in modern engines. Overall, Mobil 10W20 is engineered to extend engine life, boost efficiency, and keep engines running cleaner, smoother, and more reliably over time. Our third product is Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W. Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage Synthetic Blend is purpose-built for vehicles with over 75,000 miles, delivering targeted protection where aging engines need it most. Its advanced seal conditioners help rejuvenate worn seals, effectively reducing leaks and minimizing oil consumption, common issues in high-mileage cars. The formula offers 20% better wear protection and 15% stronger sludge defense than industry standards, helping prevent breakdown while extending engine life. Enhanced detergents actively clean internal components, fighting friction, corrosion, and harmful deposits to maintain smooth, reliable performance. What sets this oil apart is its friction-reducing additive system, which not only protects but also improves fuel efficiency, an added benefit for older engines that may have lost some performance over time. Suitable for high-mileage, new, and even rebuilt engines, it provides versatile reliability. Meeting modern standards like API-SQ and ILSAC GF7A, Valvoline MaxLife ensures dependable, long-lasting protection and optimized engine health. Now number 4, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 is a high-performance diesel engine oil built for demanding conditions and long-haul reliability. Featuring triple protection plus technology, it effectively guards against wear, deposits, and oil breakdown, ensuring engines stay protected under heavy loads and extreme temperatures. Compared to older API CJ4 oils, it delivers significantly improved wear protection, extending engine life and reducing maintenance concerns. Its advanced formulation also boosts fuel efficiency by up to 1.5% over traditional 15W40 oils, without sacrificing durability, an important advantage for commercial and high-mileage vehicles. The oil's multifunctional dispersant additives actively combat soot, dirt, and contaminants, keeping engines cleaner and running smoother. It resists thermal breakdown while maintaining excellent low-temperature flow, ensuring reliable starts in cold conditions. Additionally, its low-ash formula helps protect exhaust after-treatment systems. Backed by a strong limited warranty, this oil offers long-lasting performance, efficiency, and peace of mind. And our last choice is Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 0W. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 0W40 stands out as one of the most advanced full synthetic engine oils, engineered for maximum protection and high-performance driving. Made from natural gas using Pennzoil's Pure Plus technology, it delivers exceptional purity and performance compared to conventional oils. Designed for extreme conditions, it performs reliably in both high heat and cold starts, ensuring consistent lubrication and engine responsiveness. This oil is especially ideal for high-performance engines, helping prevent power loss while maintaining peak efficiency under stress. IT provides outstanding wear protection, exceeding industry benchmarks, which helps extend engine life and maintain smooth operation over time. Additionally, it supports improved fuel economy, making it both performance-driven and efficient. One of its biggest advantages is the impressive 20-year, 750,000-mile warranty, offering long-term peace of mind. Overall, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 0W40 is a premium choice for drivers seeking durability, power, and top-tier engine protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.